Hi guys, I hope you will fine. Today we will discuss about Sirsa Bandla biography. After Kalpana Chawla, Indian origin Sirsa Bandla will become the second born woman to fly into the space later this month. Father Murlidhar Bandla, Mother Anuradha Bandla. Boyfriend Sanhu. Born in 1987, 34 year. Hometown Houston, Texas. United States of America. College Purdue University and Georgetown University. Education Aeronautical Engineer MBA. Sirsa Bandla was born in year 1987 in the Tenali Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh, but only the age of 5 Sirsa Bandla went to the America with her parents. Sirsa has only had a passion for the space and wanted to be a part of the space industry. Her father, Dr. Bandla Murlidhar, is also a scientist and a member of Senior Executive Service United States Government. His grandfather Bandla Ragaya, an agricultural scientist, and it is a resident of Janpad village of Mundugura in a Guntur district. His mother is Bandla Anuradha. Sirsa Bandla's favorite pastime is the play the cello, and during the high school Sirsa Bandla often participated in debate competition, and since childhood he was very much interested in the subject of mathematics. Everyone wants to know about the Sirsa Bandla husband. Is Sirsa Bandla really married? Wanted to be you about the Sirsa Bandla. Sirsa Bandla is not married, but according to the news it was been learned that the Sirsa is engaged. Not much informed that has been found about the person with whom the Sirsa Bandla is engaged. Sirsa Bandla has no husband as she is not married yet. The second Indian born woman to go into the space after Kalpana Chawla, and the fourth Indian to fly into the space, a Telugu origin woman by name Sirsa Bandla, is all set up to make history, as she is set to embark on a space mission in the US. Private entries and gearing up to the space travel. A Virgin Galactic in one of them on the July 11th. Virgin Galactic will begin its first fulfilled crewed rocket powered test. Sirsa Bandla will be one of the 6 space travelers aboard a VSS Unity of Virgin Galactic, scheduled to blast over the space on July 11 from the New Mexico as a part of a 6-member crew alongside the founder of Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson. Bandla's role will be that of the researcher experience. Sirsa Bandla are those women who are going to eliminate the name of the India, and their name will be comes in the late list of great people and going to set new records. The Virgin Galactic mission will be taken on the 9 days ahead the departure of the billionaire Amazon founder Jeff Bezos' trip to space, which was announced as last month. Sharing the news on her Twitter, Bandla said she was incredibly honored to be a part of the crew. Sirsa talented were recognized quite earlier in the Telugu community. In the USA, the Telugu Association of North America (TNA) honored her with a TNA Youth Star Award in its 2014 convention of the Achieving a Great Million milestone. Sirsa, an aeronautical engineer graduate from the Purdue University, is currently working on a government affair and business development for the Virgin Galactic and its sister company Virgin Orbit, supporting both Launcher 1 and Spaceship 2 program. Sirsa Bandla is prominent member of the Telugu Federation of North America (TNA), the oldest and the largest Indian American organization in North America. Sirsa Bandla, a graduate in aeronautical engineer from the Purdue University, and then after that he also earned a Master of the Business Administration degree in Georgetown University. Sirsa Bandla has faced many difficulties in her lifetime. Talking about the salary of Sirsa Bandla, no such a news has been come about the salary of Sirsa Bandla, so that the salary can be certain. There is no salary value on the achievement of Sirsa Bandla is on. Sirsa Bandla expects the salary amount is yet. She is an Indian American space traveler from the Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. On July, she is one of the 6 space travelers to on board from VSS of Unity Virgin Galactic scheduled to be taken space beneath Moses and Sirsa are the 2 women in crew member from Unity 22. Now she was working on the Virgin Galactic as a vice president of government affairs. She is an anger. Thank you for watching knowledgeable video.